and welcome to the 5th lesson of the Site Reliability Engineering course, where we shift gears and dive into one of the most powerful strategies for reducing toil and boosting system reliability: automation and infrastructure as code, or IaC. In this lesson, we'll walk through how SREs use automation tools and code-based infrastructure to make operations faster, safer, and repeatable. Here's what we'll cover. Terraform for provisioning infrastructure on various cloud platforms. Configuration management using Ansible. GitOps workflows with Argo CD. With that said, let's jump right in. First up, Terraform. Terraform is an open-source infrastructure as code tool, created by HashiCorp. It lets you define cloud infrastructure using simple, readable configuration files, which means you can build, change, and version infrastructure just like software. Instead of manually clicking through the AWS or GCP console, you can define everything you need in code. Example, let's say you want to create an EC2 instance in AWS. Instead of using the web UI, you write a simple .tf file. Then you run Terraform init and Terraform apply. And just like that, Terraform provisions the infrastructure for you. This approach brings speed, consistency, and version control to infrastructure deployment. Whether it's VPCs, load balancers, or Kubernetes clusters, you can use Terraform to manage it all, across AWS, GCP, Azure, and more. Next, let's talk about Ansible, a popular configuration management tool. Where Terraform helps you create infrastructure, Ansible helps you configure it, like installing packages, applying security updates, or managing service files on your servers. Ansible uses simple YAML files called playbooks to define tasks. There's no need to install any agents, it uses SSH to talk to your systems. Here is an example of a playbook. Ansible makes it easy to automate repetitive tasks, enforce configuration consistency, and reduce human error. It's a favorite among SREs for maintaining system state across multiple environments. Now let's talk about something more modern, GitOps, and one of the most popular tools to implement it, Argo CD. So, what is GitOps? GitOps is the idea that everything related to deployment and configuration should live in Git, your source control system. With GitOps, Git becomes the single source of truth for your infrastructure and applications. Argo CD is a GitOps continuous delivery tool for Kubernetes. It watches your Git repository and automatically syncs your cluster with the desired state defined in Git. Here's how it works. 1. You define your Kubernetes manifests or Helm charts in Git. 2. Argo CD continuously monitors Git for changes. 3. If anything drifts from what's defined in Git, Argo CD detects it and fixes it. This brings powerful benefits like 1. Version control deployments. 2. Easy rollbacks. 3. Automatic reconciliation. 4. Stronger security and compliance. GitOps with Argo CD makes it easier to scale teams, manage environments, and automate deployments without relying on manual CI/CD pipelines. Let's quickly recap what we covered in this lesson. 1. Terraform lets you provision cloud infrastructure using code, fast, reliable, and repeatable. 2. Ansible helps you automate system configuration and management using agentless, human-readable playbooks. 3. Argo CD brings GitOps to life by keeping your Kubernetes environment synced and version controlled via Git. Together, these tools help SREs reduce toil, improve system stability, and make infrastructure as scalable and agile as the code it supports. To help you reinforce what you've learned and explore more advanced lessons, please click the link in the description to access this lesson on Motiva Logic Academy Learning Management System, where you'll find a quiz for every lesson, hands-on lab and projects to test and strengthen your understanding. While you're there, explore the full catalog of advanced hands-on courses and downloadable resources designed to help you move from theory to real-world expertise faster. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, and visit the link in the description. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss the future lessons. Thanks for watching.